Box 4.
We had two more boxes, 05.
Come on, baby. Aaron Rodgers.
Yeah.
I'd be happy as hell if I pulled him.
Dude.
I really would. Because I sell them.
Yeah. Oh, you'd have.
I sell them right away.
Too.
Right away.
Well, these didn't last long.
Not when you have me around. Jamal just throws this on the ground, right?
That's smart. Oh gosh. Ooh, Heath Miller. Nice.
Nice.
Ooh, that's not bad.
Short print. It's good auto too.
$199.
J.R. Russell.
Joe Montana. Sweet. 48 out of 50.
Mm-hmm.
Supposed to be a patch, but one color. And should be another auto. Ooh, dual.
Ooh, dual.
Mike Williams.
Mike Williams and Roy Williams.
3 out of 25.